Did you ever lose your bike valve caps? Well, today we are going to 3D print some bike parts.
I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone and masturbate. Hey! I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken.
The awesome thing about 3D printing is that if you lose or break something, you can just replace it. But even better, you can customize something like this 3D printed valve caps in the look of a stormtrooper or a pizza slice. Another really useful print is this gear cleaning tool. You can get in all the tight gaps and clean it so that your shifting gets really smooth again. If you don't have a bottle holder, you can also print that, and with some coats of matte black spray paint, it fits nicely to the bike's colors. What's really nice about the 3D printed bike light holder is that it has integrated holes for the zip ties. You can just snip them off and pop in your LED light. At the end I am gonna leave you with a little edit.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Well, put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone and masturbate.